In this video, I will go over the Skillshare Partner Program. Skillshare offers two types of revenue share programs. An affiliate program that you can earn $7 each time people sign up for premium membership or free trial. And in the Premium Referral program, you earn $10 each when you refer someone. Who is eligible for Skillshare's affiliate program? Skillshare's affiliate program is free to join for anybody that has at least one demonstrated channel and audience that is aligned with Skillshare's brand. Channels include blogs, Facebook groups, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, or email newsletters. All affiliates must create an account through Impact Radius and also have a free Skillshare account. Earning premium referrals. As a teacher who signed up as a premium member, you earn $10 premium bonus for each new premium member you bring to Skillshare. People who sign up through your referral won't be charged anything for their first month. You'll receive your bonus when they sign up. You can view your referral history on a Premium Referral page within your profile settings. Your referral link can be found within the Promote section of your class or classes, as well as on Premium Referral page within your profile settings.